Hey, SAT test prep students, Mr. Kai's this week. Here we go on doing our vocabulary for week 16. This is going to be list 13, and hopefully we get through all this, and I can get this thing to move forward. There we go. Banter. What is banter? Banter? To speak or address in a witty and teasing manner. I have no idea what that's like at all. And that's a verb. You guys know that I have banter with you. Let's see if I can change the size of the screen. Can I change the size of the screen? Sort of. Whatever. Subjugate. Subjugate. Verb. To make subservient. In other words, it means to force, to submit, or subdue. It's like when you beat somebody down. You're making them you're subjugate. You're subjugating them. Okay, there's all kinds of forms for this one. But anyway, we'll move on. Extol. It means to praise, glorify, or honor. It's what you should be doing to every single one of your teachers for all the junk we've been doing and putting up with. Okay, off the soapbox. Just kidding. We miss you guys. Fraught. Yeah, that's a good word for this week. Fraught. Means filled with or intended with. Adjective. Fraught with annoyance. Fraught with danger. Fraught. Okay, filled with or attended with. August. Kind of like August, but august. It's where you put the emphasis and which syllable you put it on. Okay, or emphasis on the syllable. I don't care. I'm not an English teacher. It means marked by majestic dignity or grandeur. You gotta say that funky, like grandeur. Marked by majestic dignity or grandeur. Adjective. Moving on. Filch. Filch. It's a character's name if you know what I'm talking about, for those of you that have read that book series or watched the movies. Filch. To make off with the belongings of others. It means to nick or snitch or steal or pilfer or pickpocket. The fancy word for that is filch. A knoll. What is a knoll? Well, it's a small natural hill. You've heard of the grassy knoll and that kind of concept from some sort of assassination kind of thing like a long time ago, before you were even born and thought about. But anyway, a knoll means a small hill, kind of like a tiny little sledding hill. A knoll. Beseech. I beseech thee. To ask for, request earnestly. Okay? I beseech thee to make sure you get your freaking work done, people. Okay, sorry. Again, I got some of you that haven't done a thing for me. And that's because, well, I haven't felt the greatest either. So hang in there. We'll get through this. Inculcate. Inculcate. To teach and impress by frequent repetitions or admonitions. In other words, it means to constantly say the same thing over and over again so it gets through your skulls. In other words, get your work done. Get your work done. Get your work done. Get your work done. You get the idea? Inculcate. Okay, that's annoying. I'm going to stop now. Nettle. That one kind of fits with what I was just doing to you. It means to cause annoyance in, disturb, especially by minor irritations. Not like any other students have ever nettled me or vexed me before. Former word, verb, to nettle. There you go. That's all for this week. Hope to see you guys soon, and we'll see how things are going. And I'm going to try and post this on YouTube this time. See ya. Keep smiling.